If someone tells you the way to make money from x402 is to hunt for a magic token, they are already late. The real window is not the coin. The real window is the cash register. X402 is a way for a website, an API, a data feed, or a tool to say, pay first, then I open the door. But not with a normal checkout page, not with a sign-up form, not with a sales call. An AI agent asks for something. The server replies, payment required. Here is the price. Here is how to pay. The agent pays, sends proof, and gets the answer. That is the basic machine. It is a vending machine for the internet. And before every business understands that there is a money window, most people will ask, what should I buy? The better question is, what can I put behind the vending machine? Because AI agents will not shop like humans. They will not sit through a webinar. They will not admire your landing page. They want a clean door, a clear price, a useful answer, and proof that the answer was delivered. So the early X402 opportunity is not only for crypto traders. It is for people who help normal businesses turn useful little things into paid machine-readable products. That sounds boring. Good. Boring is where the crowd is usually late. The old internet sells bundles. But an AI agent may only need one clean byte, one weather number, one product price, one document check, one repair answer, one local permit rule, one database lookup. The old web says, create an account, start a trial, talk to sales. The agent says, I only need one spoonful. X402 is the tiny spoon business. The first job is the X402 readiness audit. Find a business that already owns useful information, a niche newsletter, a local data site, a pricing calculator, a research library, a professional checklist, a market dashboard, a paid community with archived knowledge. Then ask, what part of this could an AI agent pay for one request at a time? Not the whole business. One useful door. For a newsletter, maybe the door is one archived article summary. For a data site, maybe it is one clean lookup. For a service business, maybe it is one quote estimate. For a tax or legal content site, maybe it is one plain English checklist. Your product is a simple report. Here are 5 things on your site that agents may pay to access. Here is the best first endpoint. Here is what should stay free. Here is what should never be sold this way. Here is the safest first test. That is a paid service. You are not holding customer money. You are not promising returns. You are selling the map. The second job is turning messy human content into agent-ready products. A website may have valuable information, but it is trapped inside pages written for human eyeballs. Agents need cleaner packaging. They need short answers. They need stable formats. They need labels. They need license terms. They need prices that make sense per request. Imagine a small industry blog with years of posts about restaurant equipment repairs. Humans see old articles. An agent sees a paid repair knowledge endpoint. A restaurant owner might ask, what usually causes this error code? What part should I check first? What tools are needed? What safety warning matters? Before that can work, someone must clean the archive, remove duplicates, write answer templates, separate free previews from paid answers, and create a simple instruction page for agents. That someone can be you, not as a crypto genius, as the person who makes the product legible. The third job is the boring API wrapper. There are already thousands of useful services online, but many are annoying to buy. They require accounts. They require subscriptions. They require API keys. They have pricing pages written for humans. An AI agent does not want to negotiate with a pricing page. It wants to call a tool. So a builder can create a simple wrapper around one useful service, add an x402 payment gate, and sell the clean version per request. The money is not in inventing a new universe. The money is in removing friction from an existing one. Think about small paid tools. Convert this file. Check this address. Validate this invoice. Compare this product spec. Extract this table. Check this image for a required detail. Find whether this part number matches this machine. If the tool saves time and the price is small, agents can become buyers. The key is one clean machine door. Request in. Payment requirement out. Payment proof in. Useful answer out. The fourth job is testing and monitoring. This sounds too boring for YouTube. That is exactly why it can make money. Once a company turns on agent payments, it needs to know if the machine works. Does the endpoint return the right payment request? Does the agent understand the price? Does the payment proof verify? Does the paid answer arrive? Does the report show which requests got paid? Nobody wants to find those problems after money starts moving. So the service is simple. I test your x402 payment flow from the buyer side. I send test requests. I record what happens. I write the error list. I explain the fixes in plain English. That is not a moonshot. That is an invoice. The fifth job is discovery. Agents cannot buy what they cannot find. Humans search with thumbnails, reviews, and vibes. Agents need a catalog. What does this endpoint sell? What does it cost? What format does it return? What is the license? That means x402 products need agent-readable packaging. Simple descriptions, clear examples, input format, output format, pricing, limits, use cases, trust signals. This creates another small service. Make my service discoverable to agents. Write my agent product page. Create my endpoint description. Make a demo showing an agent buying it. Turn my hidden tool into something machines can understand. This is where non-coders have a real chance. You may not write the payment middleware. Fine. You can sell the packaging, the examples, the tutorials, the setup documents, and the demos. Most business owners do not want a protocol. They want someone to say, here is where this fits. Here is what to charge for. Here is what not to charge for. Here is the safest first test. That is the window. Now the warning. Do not sell x402 as passive income magic. That brings the wrong customers. Sell a narrow service. Sell a readiness audit. Sell a paid endpoint idea list. Sell an agent-readable product page. Sell a test report. Sell a tiny data product. Sell monthly monitoring. Keep the promise small enough to deliver. The easiest way to start is not to build first. Start by listing 20 businesses that already own useful information. Useful information means price data, repair knowledge, local rules, niche research, professional checklists, product databases, or specialized calculators. Pick one business. Make a one-page x402 money map. Write, this is what an agent might pay for. This is the first paid request. This is the free preview. This is the buyer. This is the price test. This is the risk. This is the next step. Then send that map to the business. Do not say, I can make you rich with crypto. Say, I found a small way your existing information could become payable by AI agents. That sounds less wild. It also sounds more believable, and believable gets replies. For builders, the path is direct. Choose one tiny service agents might need. Put it behind a paid endpoint. At x402. Write clean documentation. Make a demo showing the request, the payment required response, the payment proof, and the delivered answer. Then publish the example. The demo is the sales page. Developers do not believe big promises. They believe working requests. The search terms are already forming. X402 side hustle. AI agents payments. X402 payment protocol. AI agents pay online. Those searches will bring two kinds of people. Some want hype. Ignore them. The better customers will ask, can this help my site? Can this help my API? Can this help me sell data? Can this help me charge AI bots instead of blocking them? That is where your offer should sit. The window is open because the language is still confusing. Most people hear X402 and think, crypto infrastructure. Business owners here. Another thing I do not have time to understand. Your job is to turn that into one pay door, one useful thing, one clear buyer, one test price, one report showing whether it worked. If X402 becomes normal, the easy money will not be in explaining what it is. The money will move to bigger teams, distribution, and scale. But before it becomes obvious, there is room for small operators, people who can spot useful information, people who can package it, people who can test it, people who can connect business owners with builders. That is the X402 money window. Not buying the future, packaging something the future may need to buy.